It says Store B always sells CDs at 60% off the list price. Store A sells its CDs at 40% off the list price, but often runs a special sale during which it reduces its prices by 20%. Okay, let's not look at quantities A and B yet. From the text, would you gather that the list price mentioned in these statements is the same? Or would you understand curiously that there is a list price for Store B and another list price for Store A? You know, there is nothing in the question or in these statements that indicates that we're talking about two different list price. They use this expression, and when we use the definite article, we gather that we're talking about the same common thing, something that we all understand. So, first of all, there is no two list prices here, just one. Now, second point. In the second statement, when it says that the Store A sells its CDs at 40% off the list price, but often runs a special sale during which it reduces its prices by 20%. What do you think is going on here? That originally the Store A sold the CDs at 40% off of the list price. That is to say, the price they fix for their CDs is 60% of the list price, and then they add a 20% discount on that price, or simply that the final price for the Store A is 40 plus 20, 60% off the list price, the original list price. If you are understanding the second way, then it's a mistake. Here, what is going on is this. Store A sells at 40% off the list price, meaning that the original price that they use, let's say this price is X, the list price, they are selling the CDs at this value, 0.6X. That is 40% off. That is 40% discount. And then when the special sale season comes, they reduce an extra 20%. That is, now they will reduce this price, this 0.6x, by 20 additional percent. That is what is going on here, and that's how it should be understood. Understanding this otherwise means failing the answer miserably. Be careful, that's how it should be read in the GRE. Please proceed now. Okay, so let's see this. Quantity A refers to the price of a CD when it's on sale at Store A. We know that the normal price Store A sells its CDs, it's 40% off the list price. In other words, if we said the list price was X, the normal price is 0.6 times X. But if this store is on the special sale season, so they will reduce their prices by an extra 20%. So a reduction or a further reduction of 20% in the customary price at Store A would mean multiplying this amount by the factor 0.80 or 100 minus 20 over 100. So this is it. This represents the price of a CD when it is on sale at Store A, which is basically what? Well, this is 0.48 times X. Now, quantity B is the price of the same CD at Store B. And Store B simply sells CDs at 60% off the list price. In other words, they have a 60% discount. That means 0.4 or 40% of the list price is what they sell their CDs at. So compare which one of these two is greater. They have the common factor x. So 0.48 being greater than zero point 0.4, it determines this relationship. The correct answer is